Imagine being able to monitor every detail of a project, no matter where it is, just by looking at a few 360-degree photos. Today, I'm going to show you why this simple technology is transforming project management across industries, from farms to remote infrastructure sites. Even though we're looking at a farm project today, the same approach is being used for everything from construction to large-scale infrastructure projects. This farm is using Swyvl's virtual site tours to monitor a local Landcare initiative, planting red gums to restore native vegetation along a creek. With Swyvl, you can create a high-level virtual tour of any project, whether it's a farm, a construction site, or even an emergency response situation. To make it easy for anyone to try, there's a 14-day free trial so you can see how it works firsthand. So what exactly is a virtual site tour? Think of it as a digital copy of your actual site, allowing you to visualize every inch of your project from any angle. Whether it's a small farm or a remote infrastructure project, you can map out and store a visual tour online. Adding 360-degree photos means we capture specific areas in high detail, creating a view that's fast to capture and easy to keep updated. It's similar to Google Street View, but private and with your own data. Let's talk about why 360-degree photography is so powerful for project management. For starters, you don't need high-end equipment. Affordable one-shot cameras like the Insta360 X4, Ricoh Theta Z1, or even DJI drones in panorama mode work well, and many Android phones have built-in 360 capture. Capturing a full view of any spot takes seconds, without the need for capturing full 3D scenes. If you want higher quality and detail, you can use a DSLR, allowing you to zoom in on smaller details and capture better images in dim lighting conditions. So back to the farm example, they are using 360-degree photos to track the red gum planting project. Some photos are captured as individual points for specific sites, while others are taken using Swyvl's path mode. For path mode, the camera is mounted on an ATV, and with the help of a GPX file, Swyvl accurately places these images along the route, giving us a clear picture of the planting area. It's efficient, easy, and a record that will help them track progress year after year. Of course, 360-degree photos have their limits. Unlike 3D modeling methods, they don't allow you to take precise measurements. You also need good lighting to get the best image quality, but for capturing a quick, reliable visual reference, 360 photos are hard to beat. Here's how it works. The 360-degree camera captures every aspect of the landscape, and you upload the images into Swyvl, creating an interactive tour. This means anyone involved in the project can see the progress without setting foot on site. It's not only convenient, but also a practical way to keep an accurate visual record of the project. And here is where it gets even more interesting. Virtual site tours aren't just for small projects. They can scale to large, massive infrastructure projects. Imagine capturing a virtual tour of a remote construction project, oil field, or refinery. Stakeholders can see exactly what's happening on the ground, make faster decisions, and reduce the need for constant on-site visits. What do you think? Could a virtual site tour be useful for a project you're working on? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, Swyvl offers a 14-day free trial so you can try it out on your own projects.